Congratulations to SV. It's really nice to see public servants who are actually doing their job.
Maria Aziza Manalo, Quezon Province.
And empowering their people. I think it's really important na yung pagtulong ni Sam, hindi lang pangmadalian, hindi pang kabuhayan, dahil yun talaga yun nakakatulong sa mga tao na empower ang sarili nila at tulungan ng pamilya nila. So I wish you more luck, SV. More power. I really hope that you continue doing what you're doing for Manila. And good luck and congratulations in advance.